Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today in this episode of CBD 101. My name is Erin and I am the head of training and education for Nature's Ultra. This year has been full of a lot of ups and downs, and with all the commotion that's going on in the world and in your own life, you may be feeling a little burnt out. During these turbulent times, it's important to take a step back and focus on yourself. Now, we're not advocating selfish behavior, but instead encouraging a little self-care. After all, you can't help others if you can't help yourself. Today, I'll be going over some self-care tips and how you can incorporate CBD into your self-care routine. Let's get started. Acknowledge your feelings. I want to start out by saying it's okay to be stressed. We all have a lot going on and it can weigh on us. Stress is a way for our body to tell us something is wrong. We're not saying to give in to your stress, but one of the worst things you can do is pretend it doesn't exist. I know I have a tendency to pile on the stress without taking steps to deal with it. It's important to recognize how you feel and take a step back. Admitting you're overwhelmed doesn't make you weak. It means you have a lot to deal with. If you feel you're faced with occasional tension, we recommend using the cinnamon CBD oil, which can be applied to the temples, neck, and shoulders. Distract yourself. There never seems to be an end of things to worry about. The best advice we can give is to distract yourself. You'll always be faced with problems, but your mind and body need a break. It doesn't really matter what you do to distract yourself, as long as you take time for yourself. You could listen to music, take a walk, exercise, or play a game. Whatever you choose to do, make sure it provides a positive and uplifting experience. If exercise or being active is one of the methods you use to disconnect, we recommend using Nature's Ultra CBD Muscle Rub. It's great for soothing muscles and making sure you can stay active. Meditate. Meditation may be a self-care tool that doesn't come to mind for a lot of people, but trust me when I say it can do wonders. Meditating allows you to clear your mind and can be refreshing if you give it time. There are several ways you can meditate, so just see what works for you. I would just recommend that you find a quiet space where you won't be bothered. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, be consistent, and if you need added help, there are tons of free apps and videos online to walk you through the process. We recommend using Calm Roll-On in connection with your meditation. It's easy to use, portable, and really puts me at ease. We hope this brief list of self-care tips have been helpful. As always, please like and subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. We'll see you next time on CBD 101.